everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how I made these cutest little pumpkin headbands. And so these are kind of like a big thing in handmade mom groups, and so I decided to make one myself and post a tutorial. Also, don't forget to check out my handmade store where I sell the cutest little baby accessories and other essential items. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's begin with the tutorial. So, here are the things that I use to make these little headbands. A cutting mat, acrylic ruler, rotary knife blade, scissors, hot glue, needle and a thread, and then nylon band, some alligator clips, felt, and velvet fabric. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the orange pumpkin, and here's my fabric. I use this velvet stretchy fabric. It stretches really well. And I just need a strip of it. So I'm kind of just folding it in half so I can cut it. So I'm cutting like almost 2 inches, a little bit more than 2 inches. And I'm gonna use my ruler and my rotary knife. Okay, so this velvet fabric sheds like most of them do. So I'm just gonna shake it. Okay, so here's my strip. And I'm going to fold it in half like this. And I like to just cut these off because they're too stiff. And I'm going to kind of like tie a knot like this. and that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, check out my store, Zhannastar.com. That's all. All right. Thank you. Bye.